Hey guys, what's up? Back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you off a new game. So it's called Mano County West South. Let my phone computer. Police Mano County Police Patrol. It's actually a cool game. I played it in my main account before I got hacked. That fucking hacker took all of my ranks in my main account, and my main account is dead now, so I'm kind of sad. Now I joined this. I actually kind of forgot, but I'm back. Is it training? Alright, so first I'm gonna explain the Discord server. First, you have to verify URL. You can. At first, you can see the rules. There's a lot of rules. There's 11 rules. I like how they said "don't be an idiot." It's kind of funny. And information, all the links of servers and everything. And this is the announcements. And this is the change logs, and this is the development, and this is the only in Mano. What the heck? Okay. Alright, this is the giveaways. This is the boosters. This is the partnerships. This is the what you can say training notification. No, I just missed the training. No, oh my. Oh wait, that was yesterday. I'm stupid. I'm so stupid. And this is event. This is event notifications. This is development notification. This is development announcements. This is operation announcements. There is actually some cool stuff in this. So there's business announcements. There's requirements. So as a Mano County white YouTube content. Hello, if you're active content creator, to like to have receive the whited content role, and so you meet the by requesting this role. How do you request the role? I don't know. First, you must be actively created content for Mano County. Second, you must upload 10 Mano County videos. Of course, I'm gonna do that. I'm a daily uploader. And third, content must contain good graphics. That's easy. You are free to observe your videos in the proper channel, everyone. So this is the video thing. There's actually a lot of YouTubers in this, and then there's general, and this is general. This is off topic. This is bot comments. This is poll. This is polls. This is suggestion. I don't know how to spell that. This is report abuse. Request support. Bug reports. This is a voice channel. General 1, Patrol 1, Patrol 2. General, Patrol 1, Patrol 2. Blah 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 blah. And this is the waiting VC. So I hope you liked that, and the server link will be linked in the description. Alright, now let's we're gonna play Mano County and show you around. Let me just clear my. Also, they does giveaways when they. I don't know how to say the word though. I don't understand why so much high ranks becomes like civilian. I just don't understand, dude. I just don't understand it. Look at that captain, head developer, corp, corporal, deputy. Ah, oh no, I'm lagging. Oh, dude. Oh, okay. I thought I forgot to use my voice recruiter. Oh, copyrights. Ah, copyrights. I hope my video doesn't get copyrighted. Ah, copyrights. Copyright. Oh, I like how they have that script. Kinda nice. Wow. This wasn't here. This thing wasn't here. Your legs wouldn't show up. Wow, that's nice. Oh, it's laggy though. Alright, so I don't know what's up with the teams. If I could just not lag, whenever I join a game like Mano County or bigger or a larger map, this happens so much. I hate it. Oh wow, the teams thing. Oh wow, so nice, dude. I can't join any other team. I'm just gonna show the map MCSO police department thing. As a trainee, you get load up. So as a trainee, you get a phone, obviously. Can you move it? Oh wow, that's nice. You can move it. Phone, obviously. Flashlight, obviously. Who the hell would not give you a radio? And roll shade. Okay. Roll shade, of course, dude. Of course. Can I move or not lag for more? Why did we say you can just click this and take it? People are Oh, I accidentally got a traffic list. I don't know what the hell. Oh wow. This, I don't know if this was before or I just forgot. I think they updated the doors cause like the doors wasn't like this. Yeah, I think they updated the doors. Looks nice. Yeah, looks nice. I actually never drive the Ford Explorer in my life, in any game or any Mano Counties. But now this is the only Mano County I play, so nothing to do with it. I kind of like that this like is white because like the white is kind of my like not favorite, but like the white color is kind of like really nice on this Mano Counties or like on this Sheriff team or MCSO team. Oh, look at this! It's so clear, dude. Okay, I hate when this happens. I literally need to put my graphics at 0 for that. So this is the park. You can see. This is the park. You guys know this is the reason why I play this game. You know, like the first Mano County created, or like the first Mano County ever, they didn't have such clear roads. Like, but in this game, in this Mano, like there's so much clear roads. It's like so cool. I'm not even joking. And I'm kind of lagging at the moment also. If I could, I kind of don't like why the mouse is now like I just don't like the new update. I thought that was Oh, wow. Oh, wow, I actually like these buildings. Like, they're not just a color gray, they're actually different colors, which makes it a lot nicer. Oh, I almost forget to make the light announce. This is the fast. This is the X2 or second thing. Looks nice. And this is the fourth X4. This goes kind of fast, but it's like, I'll give it a 10 out of 10. And this is the wall. Oh. I hope there's no copyright. Okay, there's no copyright. Oh my. Really? My game? Oh, really? My game crashed? Really? Oh my. This is why I hate Roblox. This is the reason why I hate Roblox, guys. This is the reason why I hate Roblox. But I'll give the link and the group and the Discord server links, or which are required to patrol in the game. I'll give everything up there. Up there. Have a great time and a awesome day, and I'll be back with a new video. Goodbye.